3 Philips projectors, 3 different ways to bring big screen viewing into your space. We're unboxing the NeoPix 150, 250, and 450 to show what each one offers and help you find the right fit for your setup. The NeoPix 150 is compact and designed to work in almost any room. Inside the box, you'll find an 180-degree rotating stand that lets you project onto walls, ceilings, or whatever suits your space. It delivers native Full HD 1080p resolution and produces bright, clear 80-inch images in darker environments. There's an HDMI port for consoles, laptops, or Blu-ray players. And it includes a USB-C to HDMI cable so you can connect to your smartphone straight out of the box. Next is the NeoPix 250. Unboxing this one, you'll notice it's similar in size, but packs more in smart features. It still offers Full HD resolution and up to 80-inch screen size, but includes auto vertical keystone 4-corner correction to keep your image straight, even if the projector isn't perfectly aligned. It works with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and runs Google TV, which brings together your streaming apps. Plus, it suggests content based on what you watch. Finally, the NeoPix 450. Opening the box, you'll see it's built for larger, brighter viewing. It projects up to 100 inches in true Full HD, and the ergonomic stand gives you flexibility with autofocus, auto keystone, and 500 ANSI lumens for sharp, vibrant image in any room. It also includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. 2 powerful 5-watt internal speakers, and that Google TV streaming so you're ready to start watching right away. Whether you want something simple or more advanced, the NeoPix range has different options to suit different spaces and setups. Explore the full range for yourself at JB Hi-Fi.